different stages of hacking.
Yes,
So
sir.
tell me, what are different phases of hacking? Sai Prasad. Sai Prasad Tirupati. Tell me, Sai, what is the first phase of hacking? Tell me, Sai. Okay, and repeat, Sai. Can you repeat, Sai? Okay, so next one, Akash. Tell me, Akash, what's the different phase of hacking?
So I am not present in the first class. I was present yesterday.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, actually, it's yesterday's topic. Okay, so tell me, who can answer?
Oh,
Sir, can I answer?
we have three
Your
types of
voice
hackers.
is very low,
Black
sir.
hacker.
Okay, 1 second. So is it low for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
If it is clear.
Okay, so some people are getting high voice. Okay, so do one thing, check your mic settings. So in the Zoom meeting itself, there's an option to check your microphones and all. Okay, please check everyone. Microphones and speaker settings. Please check it, everyone. Okay, so first of all, understand, today we are going to perform a practical session on information gathering. So yesterday we discussed about the 5 phases of hacking. So like who can answer that one? Which are the 5 phases?
Sir, can I?
Yes, sure.
So scanning, gaining access, and
Tell me the order.
maintaining
Tell me in the right order.
Resonance and scanning,
No,
gaining
okay,
access, maintaining
not
access, and
not
clearing
right,
tracks.
okay, it is
Yes.
reconnaissance. Okay, it is reconnaissance, or we can say information gathering. Okay, then scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, then after clearing tracks.
Clearing.
Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, so here we are discussing about the first phase of we are going to have a practical on first phase of hacking, that is the information gathering. And also I told you there are 2 types of information gathering is there, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Active and passive.
Yeah, active and passive. So what can be an active reconnaissance means? Anyone have any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Active directly.
Direct involvement to getting the information of related person is called active.
Yeah, so
reconnaissance.
yeah, a hacker is directly appearing somewhere else to find some information. We can call it as active reconnaissance. Okay, so today we will study about the passive one. So what is passive?
The indirect way when we collect information.
Yeah, so we will collect some information indirectly. Okay, that's the passive one. So today I will introduce some of the tools like the Harvester and the GitHub. Sorry, not GitHub, the Dimitri. Okay, so if you look into here Kali Linux, you can see in the Kali Linux option we have a lot of tools are here. So first one is information gathering. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here you can see Dimitri. Dimitri is the tool. So just click on this tool. So it's a command prompt tool. Okay, it's a command prompt tool. So do one thing, write the heading as passive information gathering, and tool we are going to use is Dimitri. The full form is Deep Magic Information Gathering Tool. Please write everyone.
Just a moment,
here.
sir. Writing.
Yeah,
writing.
I will zoom in 1 second.
Mm.
Okay, write this one.
Yes.
Tool name is Deep Magic Information Gathering Tool, and write this syntax. Okay, this much is needed. Tool
Just a
name,
moment.
full form, and
Hold on, sir.
okay.
Sir, can you please repeat?
So just write, I haven't told anything, just write this one. Write the heading, Dimitri, and full form is Deep Magic Information Gathering Tool, and write the syntax. That's the only thing I have told. Just write, I will explain. Are writing everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Just continue.
First, we will need to go to, sir, where to get the Dimitri option.
Okay, so just open a terminal. You can see open terminal and just type Dimitri and press enter. That's all enough.
No, no, sir. Where you got that option, Dimitri?
So here we can go to information gathering.
Let. Just a moment, sir.
Okay.
Okay, we need to go information gathering, then Dimitri, right, sir?
Yeah, Dimitri. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Taking a screenshot, sir.
Okay. So next thing is,
Okay.
so did you write the syntax, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one second, everyone.
Take your time, sir.
Okay, so look everyone. So a description is given here. Okay, so you can see. So the Dimitri. So when you are working with the Dimitri, this much part is a compulsory part. This much part is a compulsory part. So rest of them is an optional part. We can add. We can use any one of these options here. Okay. Can you see everyone minus O minus I? Can you see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can use any one of these.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir. It's breaking, sir.
So
You have to
actually-
fix your network.
yeah, actually your voice is also okay. Your voice is also breaking. Okay, so do one thing. First of all, this is the first option. Okay, you have to write up to here. Then rest of them are optional. Okay, so if you look into here, my first option is minus O. We can use any one of these upon our need. So first one is minus O. So what is minus O represent?
Save
Tell me.
output to-
Okay,
save
suppose
output to-
yeah, suppose once we find some information, we can save our output using minus O as an option. So we provide minus O file name dot txt or like file name dot pdf like that. Okay.
Okay.
So next one is minus I. So tell me what does minus I represent?
Perform.
IP address of host.
Yeah, IP address of the host. So here, suppose if you have a target, you have a IP of a machine, you have IP of a server. So you can provide minus I. So after writing with Dimitri minus WinSub FB, then you can include minus I. Then you provide the IP of the target. Okay. Are you getting me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you can see second one is minus W. In the case of
Same.
minus W, it is actually we can provide domain name. Okay, so previously we are providing IP. Now we can provide domain. So it's an OR option. We can either use minus I or minus W. Not two of them is compulsory. Okay.
Okay.
So then after minus N. So one more thing is here. So you can see perform whois lookup. So any idea what is whois means? Anyone having any idea about what is whois?
No, sir.
Okay, actually, whois is a website. Okay, so if you look into Google, I will show an example. 1 second.
This is a domain.
Yeah, actually, it's a domain. It's actually a domain there. So from that domain, it is providing a service. So it's like a search engine. Okay, it's like a search engine. So if we search a domain there, suppose we provide evision.com, if we provide amazon.com, so they will search for when is the who is domain. So when is the website was created. So when is a domain expiring. So we can purchase a domain. We can purchase youtube.com, yahoo.com, facebook.com. But here,
like a GoDaddy, sir.
yeah, like GoDaddy. So here, it's actually saying that when it is going to expire. Okay, when it is going to expire also will be there, and also what is IP address. Everything will be in the website. So I will show one thing. So because of the VMware, the machine is very slow. Once again. Okay, you can see it's a website is here. Who is? We can search on this one. Okay, it's not this one. So many sites are there providing same service. Not this one. I think this one.
The top one, sir.
Not top one. Maybe this one. I will check it out. Okay, this is a site. Okay, suppose we are searching for like a you can see. So it's actually when it was created and when it's going to expire, and also the where is website hosted. Okay, you can see IP address. So everything is been here. Okay, can you see everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so actually when we use the harvester, when we use the Dimitri is getting service from this website called Whois. Okay, so minus n means that similar operation, but a different website is providing service. Retrieve aircraft.com information. So here instead of Whois, aircraft is providing service. It's also a similar site. Okay,
Okay. Like a who is?
yeah, like Whois.
Okay.
So like a minus is for subdomain. So what is a subdomain means? What's a subdomain? Any idea?
No, sir.
Okay, understand. Subdomain means either. So, okay, what's a domain means? First of all, tell me what's a domain means.
Domain is the domain system.
So few
Okay.
computers which share the same Active Directory.
Okay, suppose imagine. So,
Domain is translate the name to IP
Collection of
address.
networks, sir.
yeah, so okay, first of all, a domain name. Okay, suppose imagine a domain name here. So in the domain name, youtube.com is a domain, YouTube is a domain, Facebook is a domain, Amazon is a domain, like that. So a subdomain means that so Amazon have Amazon Pay, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video. So YouTube have YouTube Music, YouTube like different service, YouTube we can say YouTube Studio. Okay, like that. So like if you are going to Facebook may have a Facebook business, Facebook like we can say it as packing or something. So someone was there. Okay, so like a Facebook customer care. So like that. So it's a subdomain. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So first of all, we are going for the we will do the practical. The rest of them are minus E for email and all. So here, this is the main thing. So minus P will not work here because it's a free tool. Actually, it's working, but we will use some advanced tool for port scanning. Okay, it's not enough for the port scanning. So here, first of all, one more thing is here, minus T. What can be minus T here?
Sir, the TTL in second one scanning is T.
Yeah, TTL means that the time to leave. Any idea what this TTL means?
This means erasing the access.
TTL means that time to leave means also how much time the scanning should be performed. That's what I mean by TTL. Okay. Are you getting me?
No, sir.
TTL means that the time to leave. So how many ports are there in an operating system? How many ports? How many ports are there in an operating system?
Sir, it depends upon the requirements, sir.
No. So a fixed number of ports is there. No one have any idea. So actually think you have studied networking and all, isn't it? Still you don't know?
Anyone, please respond.
No one know how many ports are there. Yesterday I told you about HTTP port and all. Still don't know how many ports are there.
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay. So there are 65,535 ports are there. 65,535 ports are there. Okay. I will show one thing. Just wait. Okay, you can see 65,535 ports are here. So here up from 0 to 1023, from 10, you can see here. Yeah, maybe check it. Let me check it here. Not this one. Okay, so the total number is 65,535. Please try to everyone.
Yes, sir. Writing down.
Uh, 65,535 ports are there within UDP and TCP.
Yeah, that's right.
These are datagram protocol and transmission control protocol.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Okay, so once again. Okay, so the one. So here, one more thing is there. So here from 0 to 1023. Okay, this much ports. This much ports are called well-known ports. Okay, this much ports are called well-known ports. Please note that also.
Yes, sir.
Port
Writing
from-
down, sir.
Yeah, ports from this much is,
It is
range
reserved,
is called.
sir. Yes,
Once
sir.
again.
So it is reserved for protocols. This 102 0 to 1023 port numbers.
Yeah, it's a reserved port, the third one. Okay. So this is include the HTTP protocol and all.
Just a moment, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. So, okay. So here, so we are going to perform scanning. Okay. Once again. So we are going to find a target. First of all, the command is Dimitri. Okay. Minus WinSub FB. Okay. So this is a compulsory part. So minus T. So here I was discussing about minus T. Okay. Minus TTL. TTL means that time to scan. So if you are taking 2 seconds or if you are taking 10 seconds to scan all of these 65,535 ports, that will take a long time, isn't it? 10 seconds
sir.
for each port. So
Mhm.
that's why, okay, we can provide a default scanning time. We can provide minus two as an option. So like a 2 second or like 2 millisecond will be used for that. So like that, we can reduce the time to scanning.
Okay.
Okay, so I provide minus T, then I'm providing 4 because 4 is a middle value. From 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. So 4 is a middle value. So I provide 4 here. Okay.
So what is the minimum and maximum time we can provide that?
Okay, TTL means a time to leave. So there is
Yes.
a active time that is used to scan a port. Suppose we are going to scan a port 443. So here when we scan this port, the scanning will wait only for 2 seconds if we are providing no value. If you
Okay.
provide 4, they will provide 4 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
So here we are not going to scan a port. We are only collecting the subdomains only. We are not going to scan port. So we can provide this for no issue. We are not going to use this tool to scan any port. Okay. So here minus W. Then after, tell me a domain, any website name. Tell me any Microsoft.
So go
Amazon.
with youtube.com also. You can go with.
We can write this one, Microsoft.com. Okay. So okay, minus W. Minus W means what?
Getting an IP address.
Look up for the domain and
Domain name.
Yeah, so it means a domain name. Okay.
Yes.
So here I am providing a domain and I press enter. So they are going to find any kind of subdomains of Microsoft.
Just a moment, sir.
You can see a
Okay.
lot of them are coming up. You can see Microsoft.com, news.microsoft, support Microsoft, account, Azure, apps, about ads, answer, then docs, .NET, career, partner, ADS, Visual Studio, Power Apps. Yeah, you can see a lot of them are coming up, and also some of the emails are also fetching out. Some of the public emails. So this is some of the email which is published on internet. Okay, so you can Jack Smith at Microsoft. So maybe this is some of the customer supportive or something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can scan once again. What's the command?
Dimitri.
Minus W.
Dimitri minus
Minus
WinSub.
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 Yeah.
FB minus T.
Okay, minus T. 4. So we can provide any value from 0 to 9. Okay. Then
minus W.
Minus W.
minus W. Then okay, one second. Minus W. Oh, any website. Tell me a website name.
YouTube.
Facebook.com.
Facebook.com. Okay, let me try.
So filtered means what?
Filter means that maybe a firewall is running. That's why filter.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So there is this searching google.com, searching altavista.com. So is it like it is using those search engines to carry on the search?
Where you are saying this one?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, actually, yeah. They are using a domain. They are using a search engine for doing that. Okay, you can
Okay,
see
sir.
they found some of the domains of Facebook. You can developers, business Facebook, GB, about. You can see.
Yes, sir.
These are the subdomain, right, sir?
Yeah, some domains. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so we can do once more. So okay, we can do another one. So is it clear up to that, everyone? Anyone want to try from your side?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we can just. Are you working with Kali now?
Yes, sir. I have installed. Let me share with the screen, sir.
Okay, then share.
Am I visible, sir?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay. So please guide me. Sir, here we log in as a root user or Kali user, sir.
Root user.
Password will be.
So yesterday you provided the password.
Yes. Got it, sir. Now log in. After that, where we will find the gathering option, sir.
Okay, so open a terminal.
Sorry, sir.
Open a
First
terminal.
one.
Open the terminal here.
Yeah, and this sir, type the tool name Dimitri.
I didn't get what.
Okay,
Trying
open
to say.
terminal. Open a terminal. First of all, open a terminal.
Done, sir.
Okay, so then do one thing. Just type Dimitri. Just type Dimitri there.
I hope something went wrong.
What happened? Any issue?
No, sir. Taking time, sir.
Okay.
It's DMITRY.
It's correct.
No,
Huh?
DMI.
remove I.
Yeah.
DMITRY.
DIM
DMI.
TRY
Yeah.
space
Y.
DMI.
Just a
DMI,
moment,
not
please.
Y, bro.
DMI.
DMI. I
Just
for
Okay.
ice cream.
Remove
1 second, please.
Okay. So in the chat box. Can you see the chat box? Rajinikanth?
Okay.
Okay.
Why it's not working here?
DMI.
DMITRY. DMITRY. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Press enter.
And after that, we need to type Dimitri again, sir, to getting the information.
Okay. So okay, then do one thing. Now we have to provide the commands.
So we need to type Dimitri again, sir, to get the information.
Yeah. No, actually, now type the commands. Dimitri. Type Dimitri, then the commands. Type Dimitri, then type the commands.
Dimitri, and rest these information are required to do that, or simply Dimitri we can type there.
Just type
Dimitri
Dimitri.
space
Then
minus
Minus
Winsep FB.
WIN
Winsep
WinSep FB WINSEP FB
FB. Then we need to enter, sir.
space minus T
space 4
any digit from 0 to 9.
4. Suppose I say random.
not minus 4 only
minus 4
only the digit.
only 4
Okay. Am I right?
Yeah, space
correct
Space
space minus W
minus W.
space any domain.
space any domain.
Good. Press enter. That's now it's scanning. Now it's performing lookup.
Sir, bit doubt here, sir. Searching google.com. Why it's showing so?
Because it is using google.com for searching the
okay,
particular domain.
Okay, yes, right. So you
Sir,
can see
bit doubt.
yeah, tell
Bit
me.
doubt here, sir. Yes, here.
Okay, that is only
Sir.
the website. They are using Google to search. That's only thing.
Okay. Got it, sir.
You can see youtube.com, studio.youtube.com, music. You can see some of subdomains are coming up.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.